Hello moneymakers. 3 days ago, I got stuck inside an elevator for almost 15 minutes. Nothing life-threatening, but those minutes taught me one thing. Most of us are completely unprepared for real emergencies. Your heart rate rises. Your mind starts imagining every worst-case scenario. You keep pressing the buttons, even though you know they will not magically fix anything. And the moment those doors finally opened, I walked out thinking, what if this was more serious? So I opened YouTube to search for survival videos, and that is how I discovered this channel called Sketchocalypse. Within a few minutes, I was shocked at how smart their content strategy actually is. They take real fear, real danger, and real survival science, and convert all of it into simple sketch-style videos that anyone can understand. It feels entertaining, but everything is backed by science. Every topic hits you with tension, logic, and curiosity at the same time. Look at their numbers. They do not upload every day, yet so many of their videos hit 100,000 views, 200,000 views, even 500,000 views. Some videos cross 1 million views with no fancy face cam or studio setup. Just survival science explained through simple drawings and smart storytelling. This is not luck. This is a niche that works because people love understanding how to survive real situations. Blackouts, water shortages, looters, radiation, winter storms, first week of collapse. These topics trigger fear and curiosity together, and that combination always performs well. And here's the interesting part. Most creators think this niche is extremely difficult. They believe you need to be a survival expert, an animator, a scientist, and a professional editor at the same time. But channels like Sketchocalypse have proved something very different. If you know how to research the right fears, structure the right tension, use the right prompts, and create the right sketch visuals, you can build this entire niche with AI tools that are already available today. You do not need to draw anything. You do not need advanced animation software. You only need the right process. And that is where this video comes in. I studied this channel for the entire week. I went through their pacing, their transitions, their sketches, their topic angles, their survival explanations, their dark humor, and the science behind their scripts. I broke everything down into small steps that anyone can follow. If you are a complete beginner, you can follow this. If you have no editing experience, you can follow this. If you do not know how to write scripts, AI will handle that for you. And if you have never made sketch-style animations before, you will learn that today. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand exactly how Sketchocalypse creates high-tension videos that explode with views, and how you can create the same style of content with simple AI tools. So sit back, grab your coffee, and watch this video carefully. Because once you understand this system, you will be able to build your own survival science channel without spending thousands of hours or thousands of dollars. Alright moneymakers, let us get started. Alright, so let's start building this video the smart way, not by opening an editor, but by choosing the right topic first. Our first step is simple but super important: finding the topic. This channel makes science-based survival videos, real-world survival, backed by science with a lot of myth-busting. So we're going to do the same. Topics that feel like entertainment, but are actually based on real survival science. There are many ways to find these topics, but I'll walk you through my exact process, step by step. First, copy the link of this channel. Then open my Google Doc, which you can access by joining my free school community or WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description. Now, copy the first prompt from the Google Doc and paste your channel link inside it. When you give this to ChatGPT, it will fully understand the niche, what kind of topics they are using, what strategy they follow, and how it should respond for this niche. I've already done the hard work for you and added everything in detail inside this prompt. Just give this prompt to ChatGPT and watch what happens. From that moment, ChatGPT stops acting like a normal AI and starts acting like a specialist in this niche. Whatever you ask, topics, angles, hooks, it will give you sharp, niche-specific responses, not those boring generic answers. Now once that's done, move to the second prompt in my Google Doc. Copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and instantly it will generate 25 high-quality titles for you. Titles designed exactly for this survival science niche. You can generate as many titles as you want. There's no limit. And yes, I'll also add all these titles inside my Google Doc so you can use them anytime. But here's something most creators ignore. ChatGPT shouldn't be your only source of ideas. If you want to create videos that stand out, you need to look at where the real viral ideas are born. Start with your competitors' channels. Study their popular videos, then recreate those ideas in your own unique way. This alone can give you weeks of powerful topics, and then comes the goldmine, Reddit. There are survival-focused groups where people share real experiences, questions, and fears. For example, r/peppers, r/urban survivalism, r/ask psychology. From these groups, you can gather tons of insights and turn them into fresh, unique video topics your viewers haven't seen before. So keep researching continuously. Don't rely only on the topics ChatGPT gives and keep making the same type of videos. Absolutely not. You must explore, experiment, and discover new angles so your channel always looks one step ahead of other creators. Alright, now let me show you a quick demo. From all the topics we collected, let's pick this one. How to survive a city blackout when the water stops coming out of the tap. Perfect. Our topic research is done. Now we step into the most exciting part, writing the script. But here's the truth, not everyone is a natural writer. And honestly, in this AI era, you don't even have to be. We can let ChatGPT do most of the heavy lifting. But, and this is important, before you ask ChatGPT to write anything, you must explain things clearly. What tone you want, what structure you want, what style you want. If you don't guide the AI properly, it will give you a plain, generic script that no one will watch. So the better you instruct the AI, the better your final script will be. You can't get a high-retention YouTube script from a random one-line prompt. That never works. ChatGPT will just spit out a boring, generic script that sounds like every other AI video on the internet. That's exactly why I prepared a perfect, detailed prompt for you. Just use this prompt, insert your topic, and give it to ChatGPT. Once you do that, ChatGPT will finally understand what you want: the style, the tone, the pacing, the tension, and it will generate the script exactly the way this niche demands. Now, ChatGPT gives me two different style options for the script. Option A is fast, aggressive, and high tension, and option B is a slow, cinematic visual style, so it asks you to choose which one you want. And for this niche, I'm going with option A, because this style holds retention like nothing else. Fast pace plus tension equals viewers stay hooked till the very end. You just have to tell ChatGPT one simple line. I will go with option A. And that's it. ChatGPT will start generating a fast, high-tension script exactly in that style. But remember, never trust the script blindly. You must read the entire script carefully. If something feels off, confusing, or not scientifically accurate, change it. Or do a little extra research on Google and add a few stronger points to make it even better. Once the script looks perfect, copy it and paste it into a Google Doc. Then, after doing your own research and making small improvements, you can use it directly for your video. Alright, so the main part of the process is done. Now it's finally time to create the video. If you've noticed, this channel's editing style is very unique and super engaging. They use sketch-style animations throughout the video, which makes everything feel more dynamic and fun to watch. And I know what you might be thinking. This looks difficult. How do I even make something like this? But honestly, it's not hard at all. With AI, creating this kind of sketch animation is actually very easy. So how do we do this in a simple way? Just follow along step by step. First, take a few screenshots from these videos so ChatGPT can see and understand the exact image style we want. Then, go to my Google Doc and copy the image prompt from there. And like always, I've already done the heavy lifting for you. The prompt is fully detailed and ready to use, so you don't have to sit and figure it all out from scratch. So before we continue, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps. Alright, now copy the prompts and give them to ChatGPT. Make sure you also upload all the screenshots you took so the AI understands the exact image style we're aiming for. Once you do that, ChatGPT will clearly understand what kind of prompts you need. But remember, it won't generate prompts for the entire script in one go. You have to give ChatGPT one paragraph at a time, and it will create separate prompts for every single line in that paragraph. So just keep sending your paragraphs one by one, and keep generating your prompts step by step. Alright, now that we have all our image prompts ready, It's time to turn those prompts into actual images. And for that, I'm going to show you 2 free tools you can use right now. The first tool is Grok AI. Just sign in, click on the Imagine option on the left panel, choose your image ratio, paste your prompt, and that's it. Your images will be ready in a few seconds. If you don't like the result, simply tweak the prompt a little and generate a new version. Once you're happy with it, just download the image. Now let's copy the second prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here as well. And here's the new result. Download the one that fits your video best. The second free tool is Google Whisk AI Image Generator. You can create images for free here too, and honestly, I prefer Whisk's results over Grok. They look cleaner and more polished. Just paste your prompt, select the 16:9 ratio, and check out the result. It looks clean, sharp, and way more professional, right? Now let's paste another prompt and check the result. And here it is. Looks pretty good, right? So whichever tool you prefer, just stick with that and generate all your images there. Once all the images are ready, we move on to the next step. Wait. Before we move ahead, I want to tell you something. If you have a budget and want to stop guessing and finally grow with a clear step-by-step plan, book a free call for my coaching program. In this 10-week training, I work with you personally and show you exactly how to build faceless YouTube channels that earn real income. You will learn how to choose profitable niches, create viral videos with AI, write high-retention scripts, and build a full content system that runs smoothly. You also get access to my private prompts, research systems, and the same team that helped me build multiple successful channels. If you feel stuck or overwhelmed, this call will give you a clear direction and a realistic roadmap based on your goals. Spots are limited and usually fill fast, so book your call before the page closes. Now let's get back to the video. Generating the voiceover. For this, I'm using 11 Labs AI. Always choose a tool that creates realistic, human-sounding voiceovers, not robotic ones. Tools like 11 Labs or Dub AI work perfectly for this niche. Sign in with your account, then go to the voice section and look for a voice that fits this niche. You can even use the filter options to narrow it down. For now, let's select the John voice. I think it matches this style really well. Now paste 2 to 3 paragraphs of your script, hit generate, and download the voiceover. So now you have the full script from ChatGPT and the complete voiceover, which means the next step begins, adding animation to your images, meaning the sketch images you generated won't be used as plain still images. We're going to turn them into paint animations or brush animations to make your video far more engaging and dynamic. To do this, open Canva, go to the dashboard and click on the video option. Then select YouTube Video. On the left side, you'll see the Apps section. Search for Speed Painter and select that tool to start adding animation to your images. Now upload your first image, the one you created using Whisk AI or Grok AI. But before you do that, make sure to place your voiceover track on the timeline. This makes syncing the animation with the audio much easier. After that, add your image into the Speed Painter tool. Choose the sketch duration and color fill duration based on how fast you want the drawing to appear. Then select the hand type. If you want a clean, no hand animation like the reference channel, choose no hand animation. But I prefer adding hand movement because it feels more engaging and visually interesting for viewers. Then hit generate, and here's the result. Clean, smooth, and ready to use. Just click Add to Design to drop it onto your canvas. Adjust its size on the page so it fits well, and most importantly, make sure the animation lines up perfectly with your voiceover. Now upload your second image and repeat the same steps. And here it is. The second animation is ready too. Place this clip right after the first one so your video flows smoothly. To match it perfectly with the voiceover, you can adjust the animation speed from here. This way, everything stays in perfect sync and doesn't look too fast or too slow. Just remember, this tool gives you limited credits. If you plan to create a lot of videos, you may need to buy additional credits. And if not, no worries. There are plenty of other tools that offer similar sketch-style animations, like Doodle AI and many others. Otherwise, if you don't have the budget, you can still make it work. Just add the image, go to the animation section in Canva, and use brush or spray paint animation. It won't look as advanced, but it still does the job. But if your goal is to create highly engaging, premium-looking videos, I strongly recommend using a paid whiteboard animation tool. Those tools give smoother lines, better timing, and a much more professional finish. Because the higher the quality and engagement of your video, the better your chances of getting recommended, and the higher your chances of going viral. So that's it, guys. This is how you animate all the images, merge them, and your video will be ready. So guys, in this way, you can animate all your images, merge everything together, and your full video will be ready. Before I end this video, I want to say one thing. Don't overthink the process. Just follow these steps, practice a few times, and you'll get faster and better with every video you make. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me what tutorial you want next. All the prompts, tools, and resources I used in this video are available on my free school community, so don't forget to check that out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now let's check out the demo video.
The grid has been dead for 39 hours. Your building's emergency lights flickered twice, sighed like they had student loan debt, and then died for good. The neighbor who bragged about always being prepared is now guarding his door with a yoga mat and a look that says he's willing to commit a misdemeanor for bottled water. Your phone has become a smooth, glowing brick. And the kitchen tap, the one you always took for granted, is now a dry metal snake staring at you with disappointment. You've got maybe 12 hours before your body starts filing complaints and 3 hours before everyone else in the building realizes the exact same thing. That's when things get interactive. But relax. We're about to fix all of this using physics, trash, and the last few scraps of your self-respect. The first mistake everyone makes in a dry tap apocalypse is believing they still have time. They don't. You don't. Thirst isn't a warning. It's a confession that you already screwed up. In a dead